How to turn off text wrap on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off text wrap on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and now click this Opera icon here and then click this one and now go down until you find this one, page layout, and click on it, and here you will find text wrap. And if you want to turn it off, just one click, and as you see now, text wrap has been turned off. And that's how to turn off text wrap on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.